In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Zoom meetings. By the end, you'll be able to hop into any call confidently without scrambling for settings or codes. Start on the Zoom home screen and click Join. This is the main button you use when someone has invited you to a meeting that's already scheduled by a host. If you're on a computer or mobile device, the Join option is easy to spot on the main page as soon as you open the app. A small window will appear asking for the meeting ID. This is the numeric code that comes with your calendar invite or email. Go ahead and type it in carefully, or paste it if you copied it from your invite. Take a moment to double-check every digit to avoid landing in the wrong room or getting an error. Below that, you'll see the name that will appear to other participants. Edit your display name if you want. Choose something clear and professional so your host can recognize you quickly. For privacy, avoid adding personal details like your email address or phone number in the name field. Once your meeting ID and name look good, click Join. Zoom will move you forward to any security prompts for that session. If the meeting requires it, you'll now be asked for a passcode. This passcode is included with the meeting invite, sometimes next to the meeting ID or inside the calendar event. Enter it exactly as provided, paying attention to any letters or symbols. If you're not sure, check the original invitation again. Next, click Join Meeting to confirm. This tells Zoom you're ready to proceed with the details you entered. Before you fully enter, Zoom may give you a quick chance to adjust video and audio. Use this moment to choose the correct camera, center yourself in the frame, and decide whether to start with your camera on or off. Select the right microphone and speaker or headset from the drop-downs, and do a quick test if needed so you can hear and be heard clearly. If you prefer a quieter entrance, consider joining muted. You can always unmute once you're ready to speak. You can also pick a virtual background if it's available and appropriate for your setting. Finally, you may see a message letting you know to wait to be admitted. That means the host is using a waiting room. Just sit tight, you'll be let in shortly. Keep your mic and camera set the way you want, and once you're admitted, you're all set to participate. And that's it. With your meeting ID and passcode handy, joining Zoom meetings is quick, simple, and reliable.